Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 3 sets in exercise 3B advanced level at question number 17 to 19. Today we will discuss about question number 17 to 19. In question number 17, given statement, it is given that universal set is equal to x such that x is a positive integer less than 21 and O is a set that is x such that x is a number that is divisible by 3. Now, in first part, list the element of complement O. First of all, find the O complement. Now we have tried that O complement is equal to universal set minus O. Then write the element of universal set x such that x is a positive integer less than 21. So these numbers are positive integers less than 21 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Minus into element of O that x such that x is divisible by 3, then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Now we can find the complement of O, then write the element of universal set that does not belong to O. Now we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19 and 20. These are elements of complement set O. Now in second part, describe the element of O prime in set notation. Now the element of set O prime in set notation x such that x is a positive integer less than 21 that is not divisible by 3. Now in question number 18, given the following sets. In a set A, the element is 1, 2, 3, 4. In B set A, B, C, D, and in C set A, O, U, Z, and in D set A, E, I, O, U, and in E set 2, 3, 4, and in F set element are 4, 3, 2. Now in G, the vowel in English alphabet, and set H, the first four letter in English alphabet, and last set I, that is the element of first four counting numbers. Now we can fill the symbols with in each of the blanks. Now first of all, these may be more than one correction in each case. Now in first part, A is equal to B, and in B part, F is a subset of A. In C part, D is equal to H. In D part, H is not equal to C. In E part, G is not equal to I. Now in F part, F is equal to E. In G part, F is a subset of I. In H part, D is equal to G. In I part, C is not equal to I, and in J part, I is equal to A. Now in next part, K, E is a subset of A, and in last part L, that is G is not equal to A. Now, similarly, in question number 19, given set A, element is A, set of A, element B, set of C, D. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. First of all, in A part, small a element A belong to A, so A is belong to A, this statement is true. In next statement B, so set of A belong to A, this statement is also true because set A belong to A. And in C part, C belong to A. In this case, set of C belong to A, not single element C belong to A. So this statement is false. Now in D part, set of D belong to A. Here element D belong to A, not a set D. So this statement is false. In E part, A and set A belong to A. So this statement is true. In next part, set A is a subset of A. So this statement is also true because set A is an element of A and also subset of A. Now in next part G, set of A whole set is a subset of A. That is also true because this statement is belong to this part. A and B belong to A. Here A and B an element of A, so this statement is true. Now A and B is a subset of A. This statement is also true because these are element of A. Now in J part, B, set C and D is a subset of A. So these are element of a set A. So this statement is true. In next part, A, AC and D. Here AC is not belong to the element of a set A. So this is not a subset of A. This statement is a false. Now in last part L, these element is belong to A and it is also equal to and proper subset of A. So this statement is true. In last part, these element is belong to A, but these are not proper subset of A. So this statement is a false. Best of luck with next video in next lesson.